First, we show you how to install the clamp on the machine. There is an adjusting arm with a ratchet. This makes it easier to adjust because you don't have to go find a wrench. Just lift it up and take a new bite. Now we need to adjust the clamp hold downs to hit the frame in the right spots. Move the farthest clamp from you back and forth to line up with the frame. If the frame is large enough, you might need the other clamp too, in which case you can adjust it. Now when you change the molding style to one with uneven planes, you can adjust the hold down clamp to fit the contour of the frame. First, you put the clamps in the right positions. You can see that they're properly aligned, but they're not going to hit the frame right, so we're going to fix that. You open the valve at the top. Now you actuate the machine using the foot pedal. Because you opened the valve, they're going to adjust the height for that molding. Reach up and close the valve, and you're done.